Hey, welcome to the FlatFilePro instructional series. We're going to go through a few chapters of how to use FlatFilePro, kind of like the basic level, and then move into pro level or more advanced catalog management stuff. So, starting with the basic, let's log in. We've got we use a password manager here, and once you log in, let's just go through and set up our marketplaces, right? So this you want to go through account and then connect to Amazon. This is the first time, or you're adding another marketplace. Um, and the cool thing is, we let you add different marketplaces or different countries to the same marketplace or same store, or you can add a completely new marketplace, right? So, for instance, we've got the safety store here, which is our test account, and you can add all the different countries it's in. Or let's say we had test account two, right? You can add all the different marketplaces that's in. We set this up from an agency and large seller perspective because this was one of the biggest problems we had as an agency, jumping between different accounts. So um, let's simulate what that looks like, right? So we're going to do US. We're going to connect our account. Make sure you are signed in to the Seller Central account that you want to connect to. Oftentimes, if there's an error here, it's because you're signed into a different account or on that drop-down selector switch um, at the top. I will show you in a second. I'm going to pause this while I enter my OTP. So the cool thing is, make sure make sure you select the right account that you want to be here, right? So this means we are an authorized Amazon App Store developer. We've gone through all the auditing. Amazon has access to our code base, and we're in the app stores, right? So um, you can, if you remember the old days of hooking up Amazon accounts, you get your MWS key. It was like super shady. The cool thing now, it is an Amazon approved app. So we're already connected here, so I'm not going to go ahead and connect this one. But otherwise, you would hit confirm, and then you would be brought back to the app, and your listings would start to load. I'm going to end this chapter here, and we're going to go to the next chapter.